So the two parties Alice and Bob agree upon and make two public number G and P. So as I mean public, G and P is visible to everyone, and where P is a prime and G is a primitive root mod. For this the Java API is will use the diffie-hellman parameter spec API, and in the constructor we'll pass G and P. So G and P are the big integer here. So we will create a DH parameters for Alice and Bob. The second step is Alice will create a random number. Okay, to achieve this, we will use key pair generator API, and we will pass the DH algorithm, and we are using bouncy castle API, and we will initialize this key pair generator with the DH parameter created earlier with the new secure random. Okay, so this will create a random number, and key is initialized with the DH parameter. Now the Alice will compute the value u. So this is a modular arithmetic used to compute u, and then it will send u to the Bob. To achieve this, we will take key agreement API, and with the get instance of the algorithm name and the provider name. Here it's diffie-hellman and provider is bouncy castle. This will create a key pair. A key pair is form of public key and private key. So once we got the Alice key pair, Alice pair, we will get the Alice private key, and we will slice the Alice key agreement. And what we'll do, we'll do phase it, and we will use Bob public key here. Okay, this is important. So once we initialize this Bob dot get public key, we have calculated the u. Okay, similarly Bob will choose a random number, the same process using the key pair generator, and the algorithm is diffie-hellman and the provider is bouncy castle, and will choose a new secure random and initialize with the DH parameter with the P and G. Now Bob will compute V here and send V to Alice. So it will follow the same process. So it will create a key agreement, the diffie-hellman API and the bouncy castle provider, and when it's sent to Alice, it will use Alice public key. Okay, so doing this, Bob compute the value k and Alice compute the value k. So both are equal here. Okay, and finally they will create a shared secret, generate shared secret, Alice key, and these two shared secret will be same. So I'll fill up with some number and submit it. So we have created a key pair, two key pair, one for Alice, one for Bob, using the algorithm. And with this key pair, we got these two shared secret for Alice and for Bob. Okay, and these two shared secret are same, as you can see.